Mark Crossley. I'm sales manager for Pentag Gears and Oilfield Equipment Limited. Just been acquired by BG Engineering over in Chesterfield, and we're now based at their site. We've brought over with us all our machinery. They're all gear cutting machines. We think that the Sunderland 27 double helical is one of the last that's actually still producing in this country. We're supplying to many different markets. We supply from around 150mm diameter to over 4 metres. One of our most famous gears went into the Boaty Mac boat face a couple of years ago, which eventually became the RSS David Attenborough.